Another sweltering look at the Westview Promenade, again over those blacktops, parking lots. That's where the heat is going to be even more amplified the rest of the day today, but you could even be out in the middle of a field and it's just going to feel very, very hot. We have already hit 90 degrees in Frederick. Now, this is a minor victory here, but the dew point is staying a little bit lower than what we experienced over the last couple of days, especially yesterday, as it's at 72. Still oppressive, but no doubt that is not at least up near 75 and above, which we did see throughout the late afternoon hours yesterday. 94 in Charlestown. We're looking at upper 80s through Thurmont, Hagerstown, Martinsburg, and Winchester, and even back across the mountains, it's into the upper 80s through Cumberland and Bedford. And there's a look at those dew points. There is a little less moisture to the air today, as dew points haven't budged from this morning, but still upper 60s, lower 70s. That is enough to make it feel like it's air you can wear. And look at these heat index values approaching 100 degrees again in Germantown and Frederick. Not as bad as you go back along I-81 in the lower 90s, but we still got a lot of afternoon to get through, and heat index values should easily push or at least exceed by a few degrees that 100-degree mark. The sunshine has been ever so plentiful today as well. That's another sure sign we have some drier air that is in place. There's a few clouds here and there, but there's certainly less cloud cover than yesterday. And yep, this air you can wear weather is sticking around both today and tomorrow. And with humidity being added back into play, it looks like we could be pushing heat advisory criteria tomorrow once those heat index values get up closer to 105. So we'll have to watch out for that on your Wednesday. But some rainfall should arrive late in the day tomorrow, and then we really will cool things down heading into the holiday weekend. So we can at least look forward to some much cooler temperatures, but it looks like we may have to dodge a few rain showers as a result on the 4th of July. There's those temperatures this afternoon. Middle 90s very likely once again, and we're not going to cool off all that much through the overnight hours either. Still just back down into those 60s and 70s. And as we head into your Wednesday, like I was mentioning earlier on, the air temperatures should be about the same. We might see those uptick just slightly, but the key thing is we're going to be adding in a lot more moisture to the air, and that is going to lead to higher heat index values. We're pushing up into those upper 90s already, and by the time we get into the day tomorrow, well, we're going to be upwards of 100 degrees in most locations with that heat index value. Storms will arrive late in the day, though. That could cool off a few localized spots, and then it really turns soggy Thursday and Friday. Actually got to watch out for some heavy rainfall potential there to wrap up the week. And there it is, scattered to isolated showers and storms through the holiday weekend, but there will be some dry time at least mixed in for the holiday itself.